Brian, in every sense of the term, Robot Brian is your biography. So, anything unusual happen with Robot Brian last night?
Yeah, this is fine. This isn't weird. Why do you ask?
Well, as it happens, your robot has a rear panel sensor. Every time it's triggered, I get a text. Well, hello there, little guy.
What the hell did you do to me, Stewie?
Well, Brian, you seem to enjoy belittling me, so I decided to belittle you. I've simply shrunken down your molecular structure. It was easy, really. Like taking candy or a whistle from a baby.
You dick.
Ew, where are we?
I don't know. The device can't make heads or tails of it. It's just some sort of weird, low-resolution, blocky universe.
Lois, where is my supper?
Still in the oven.
Will I have it soon?
Quite soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
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 I'm frightened.
Let's go. Love it.
Hate it. Love it.
Hate it.
Brian? This feels weird.
Hit the button.
All right, I've got the return pad. The time machine is powering up right now. We should be leaving any moment.
This thing is awesome. Stewie, can you believe Brian built this?
Wait, what?
Oh, hey, come on, guys. Who built what is not a question on the history final, right?
Good point, Brian. That's why victory is always Brian's.
You dick!
F and cry.
He's